बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बहुत मेहरबान और निहायत रहम करने वाला है। Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Miss Uzma Faruqi from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video. While attending this lecture, make sure you have your stationery items with you. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, new countdown, third edition, book 2, and your notebook. Subject Mathematics, Class 2. I hope you remain attentive throughout during this lecture. Today we are going to start our 7th lecture, and the topic is shapes. Children, you are familiar with shapes from your daily life. You have seen and hold these objects in your hands, such as a ball. Yes, this is sphere, a dice, a cube shape, toothpaste box, or a lunch box. These are cuboid shapes. And ice cream. Oh, yes, this is cone. And car cylinder. Your chalk. This is cylinder shape. Before starting a new lecture, we revise the previous knowledge about cubes and cuboids. Students, all of you know, cubes and cuboids have 6 faces each. Cubes and cuboids have 12 edges each. Cubes and cuboids have 8 vertices each. Cube has square faces and cuboid has rectangular faces. These faces are plane. A cuboid is a stretched cube. Before starting a new shape, I asked you one question. Do you know about edges and vertices? Think about this. Yes, you are right. Edges second name sides or borderline. And where the two or more than two edges meet, this point is called a vertex. The name of this shape is sphere. Look at the screen and think about this. It has a very special face. It rolls around. It is a curved face. Spheres are shapes that perfectly round. Ball, marble, globe has a sphere shapes. And now think about this. How many faces do the sphere have? How many faces they have? Oh, sphere has only one curved face. No vertex, no edges. Now look at the slide. We read this. A sphere has only one face, a curved face. Sphere has zero edges. A sphere has zero vertices. My dear students, look at the screen. What is this? You find these things in your home and your classroom. Look here and there. What is the shape of your room tube light? What is the shape of your car gas cylinder? And what is the shape of juice can? All of these shapes are cylinder shapes. And very carefully, again look at this. How many faces? Yes, cylinder has 3 faces. One face is curved and 2 faces are flat. These faces are circle flat circles. Now again, look at the cylinder and count the edges of these. It has 2 edges. One thing, very important point. How many vertices cylinder? Oh, cylinder has no vertices. We again revise this. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plane and 1 curved. Cylinder has 2 edges and cylinder has 0 vertices. My dear students, now come to the next shape. Oh, this is cone. You meet this each time you eat a cone ice cream. Yes, the cone ice cream is a cone shape. Try to find this in your daily life routine. A funnel, a carrot, a party hat, and cone. All of these have cone shapes. Cone shapes are those that have two faces. Cone has only 2 faces. One of them is curved. Listen to me. Be carefully. Cone has only two faces. One of them is curved. Now think about the edges of cone. How many edges? How many edges of cone? Yes, cone has only one edge. And now how many vertex cone? Cone has only one vertex. Now revise this topic. A cone has two faces, one plane, one curved. A cone has one edge. A cone has one vertex. Now we revise plane and curved faces. Slide it on the floor. Oh, what is this? It is cube. Slide it on the floor. And what is this? It is cuboid. Remember their faces. Feel them carefully. They are flat. My dear students, keep in mind always. In math, we use a special word instead of flat. The word is plane. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हम मैथ में फ्लैट की जगह प्लेन का लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करते हैं. क्यूब्स और क्यूबॉइड्स प्लेन फेसेस रखते हैं. Look at the screen, students. Oh, the first shape of sphere. Remember it, it goes round and round. It is not flat, it is a curved face. Roll it on the floor. You see, and you recognize and you find out sphere has one curved face only. The second shape is cylinder. Cylinder has two plane faces and one curved face. And in the last, oh, cone. Cone has one plane face and one curved face. Remember it. The flat faces of the cylinder and the cone are circles. Students, it's a time of home assignment. Learn page number 157 to 160. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.